Remember, the video description and first comment have links to upcoming workshops and courses. This challenge aims to strengthen you against any current illness. It involves an energy cleanse for your current illness and past health issues' cumulative effects. The goal: improved life quality during illness and faster, more efficient bodily self-repair. Listen daily until you're fully recovered and symptom-free. Inspired by Leah's cancer journey, we share this energy medicine to benefit others. For best results, pair this with the detox challenge and lymphatic system strengthening. Find it on this channel, Rocio Santibanez Yuen Method. If you find it helpful, please share, like, and comment to help others. To study the Yuen Method, check the video description for WhatsApp and Telegram links. First, let's remove the weakening energy from your current illness's name. Visualize the name. Remove draining energy from all sides and within. Erase it completely for all time, infinitely. Clear misconceptions about the illness, its treatment, and medicines from all sources. We'll erase it completely, forever and always. Let's remove memories of poor treatments, medications, and diagnoses received, given, seen, heard, or ordered for us, our ancestors, and descendants in this life and others. We'll eliminate all cumulative effects entirely and eternally. Will remove the built-up impact of all your suffering, anger, sadness, worry, stress, fear, and any disharmony you've experienced. We'll clear this from your entire being completely and permanently. We'll also erase how others' thoughts and feelings about you and your illness have affected you. We'll remove this from them and from you, body, mind, and spirit, thoroughly and eternally. Let's remove these energies of emotions, sensations, and reactions from your physical spaces, surroundings, and time. We'll clear all your physical spaces of energetic debris, entities, and forms from walls, doors, windows, floors, ceilings, objects, furniture, clothes, and food in your home. We'll send it to other universes, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, energy, black holes, wormholes, and unknown places. We'll remove the draining energy you picked up from others in clinics, hospitals, labs, and other physical spaces. This includes energy of pain, suffering, grief, vulnerability, helplessness, sadness, resistance, rejection, anger, and confusion from others. We erase it from your body, mind, and spirit to zero minus infinity, 100% of the time for eternity. We'll remove direct and indirect curses and karmas from your doctors and medical team. We'll also clear these from the health and admin staff involved in your case. We'll erase all accumulated effects completely for all time. We'll separate you from others with the same condition. We'll disconnect you from those with similar symptoms, fears, and reactions. We'll remove all weaknesses completely for all time. We'll align you with those who've overcome this illness and now feel strong. Be centered, balanced, and stable with them at 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time, infinitely. Let's separate past, present, and future in all possible combinations. Clear your mind of future and past. Strengthen body, mind, and spirit to be fully present with infinite potential always. We'll separate physical, mental, emotional, financial, and energetic pain, erasing all weaknesses to zero minus infinity perpetually. We remove the cumulative effect of these pains, yours and others, to zero minus infinity indefinitely. We separate the weakening energy from each symptom, physical or not, erasing all weaknesses to zero minus infinity forever. We balance physical and mental symptoms to be centered, stable, and harmonious. We'll boost endurance, coordination, speed, strength, flexibility, and agility in your central nervous system and entire spinal cord. We tense and relax the midline at 100% infinite potential all the time, forever. We also enhance strength, endurance, speed, coordination, and agility in your cells, atoms, molecules, and quantum particles at 100% infinite potential, always. Let's remove the focus on this illness and its cumulative effect on your micro and macro body. We'll eliminate your mind's resistance to leaving your body and your body's resistance to letting go of the mind. We remove the mind's cumulative effect from your nervous system and physical spaces, sending it to other universes, dimensions, and unknown realms. We erase the buildup of mental pain, discomfort, irritation, hypersensitivity, and pressure you're experiencing, sending it to other universes and dimensions. We remove resistance and rejection of illnesses and symptoms, erasing guilt and shame for being sick, needing help, or causing expenses. We erase all of this, its cumulative effect, to zero minus infinity 100% of the time for infinite time. We remove the energy of losses from this illness, material and non-material, and memories of losses from other diseases in ancestors, descendants, and yourself. We remove resistance and rejection of the disease. sadness, pain, anger, anguish, grief, and resistance to losing money, time, energy, health, stability, and other material things. We erase this with its effect at 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We'll remove the abusive energy of those exploiting the needs created by this illness. Labs, doctors, hospitals, health staff, admin personnel, and all types of healers. We erase this abusive energy completely and permanently, along with all related karmas, direct and indirect, with their effect at 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We'll remove the draining energy from family and others who aren't sick but are carrying your illness. We remove their fatigue, worry, anger, and feelings of loss, frustration, confusion, and resistance, and erase these in them, in you, and in physical spaces. At 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. Let's erase memories of dying from this or similar illnesses. We erase memories of painful deaths with fear, resistance, and rejection. In ancestors, descendants, and you in this life and others at 0 minus infinity. Be strong to accept the disease is telling you something about yourself. Be strong to sense and understand what this illness is trying to convey. Be strong to let go, forgive, and forget, regardless of the outcome. Be strong and neutral about improving or not, worsening or not, fast or slow. We strengthen your neutrality to all changes, perceptions, and differences. Be strong to acknowledge, recognize, and eliminate the symptoms. Strengthen all outflow channels, colon, soles, bladder, sacrum, genitals, tightening and loosening to drain all this energy to 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time, infinitely. We erase the cumulative effect of all repressed, denied, numbed emotions, lies, shutdowns, forgotten sensations, reactions, unresolved issues, and untranscended pain. We'll erase all that led to these diseases, limitations, and traumas. We erase it in you, ancestors, descendants, this life, and others. We'll remove activators and triggers of disease memories. We'll strengthen internal and external dynamics, limits, and vertices of all work geometries. We erase the effect of all memories, known and unknown, to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time. All right, tell me how you feel now. Same or different? If you want to study the Yuen method, check the video description for contact links. Thank you.